Hi there. So, yes, I know the bench is still a mess. Pretend it's not though. Focus on these. If you look at what's set up, I got my watch set to stopwatch. I got 10 master locks, a pile of picks, and a pile of tension wrenches. You get where this is going? I'm gonna see how fast I can pick all these open. Um, Two of these are the universal pins. I think it's this one and that one. Yeah. I just didn't have enough of the regular 4-pin core master locks, number threes, and five's not a challenge enough, so I figure I'd do 10. Everyone else does 10, and this isn't really a challenge. If we say I'm not challenging anyone to do it, it's not a who has the fastest time. It's something I've seen a couple other people do, and I just wanted to have my go at it. You're welcome to put up a video. I mean, it's not a competition at this point, but maybe one day we'll make it one. And time starts now. I'm gonna single pin pick everything. No raking, no zipping. I know the scratches on my watch face make it hard to see, but I'll just show you final time. Man. There we go. Open. This is one of those UP cores. So technically pick like serrated pins, but they're not. But it feels like it when you pick, so definitely, well, interesting lock. There we go. Arms open. Arms open. That one's open. That one's open. That one's open. That one's open. Again, I'm moving you. Set 3 pin. pins. We'll use the fourth one. There we go. Open. And this one's gonna go this way. We're not gonna make it undo formats, but open. Alright. 10 mastery locks in 4 minutes, 13 seconds. Ugh, hands. Ugh. I'm not doing that again. It's fun. It's also not fun. Okay, it's pretty friggin' fun. I don't know. Maybe I'll deal with some other locks. See what other lock I can get other 10 of. Maybe 5-pin Schleg kick cylinders. Maybe I'll do a quick set next. I don't know if I have 10 of those. I might have 5 of them. I don't know. I might have 10. Let's look. I got 2 over there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh yeah, I got more than 10. Alright. How about that for next video? 10 quick set cylinders, 5 pins. Then they're all fully pinned up. I'm not gonna gut every single one. I don't know. And we'll see how fast I can pick those. I don't know what other people's times are, but I'm at 4 minutes, 13 seconds for 10 mastery locks. And 2 of them are universal pins, so yeah, it's not. I'm technically picking a lock with what would be considered serrated pins, but you know what they say. I don't know what they say. That's all I got for this video. If, next video is going to be me picking open 10 quick set cylinders as fast as I can. So, stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Bye.